In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch measurement units among inches, cm, and points in PowerPoint. If your slides don't quite line up the way you expect, it's often because PowerPoint is using a different measurement system than you prefer. Rulers, grid spacing, and many layout dialogues follow your Windows regional setting, not a separate toggle in PowerPoint. So to switch between inches and centimeters, we'll make one quick change in the Windows control panel, then restart PowerPoint so the new units show up across your workspace. Start by opening the control panel on your Windows PC. The fastest way is to use the search box on your taskbar, type Control Panel, and open it. In the Control Panel window, go to Clock and Region, then choose Region. This opens the region dialog where Windows keeps your formatting and measurement preferences. Make sure you're on the Formats tab and then click the button labeled Additional Settings. This brings up the Customize Format window. Here, look for the section that mentions Numbers or Measurement System. Depending on your version of Windows, you'll see a drop-down for Measurement System. This is the key setting that PowerPoint reads when it decides whether to show inches or centimeters on rulers and in size and position fields. Open that drop-down and choose the system you want. Select Metric to work in centimeters, or choose US to work in inches. Metric will switch PowerPoint's rulers and grid spacing to cm, while US will switch them to inches. This change is system-wide for apps that rely on this Windows setting, so it will help keep measurements consistent across your workflow. Click Apply, and then click OK to confirm your choice. Close any remaining dialog boxes to return to your desktop. For the change to take effect in PowerPoint, you need to restart the app. If PowerPoint is open, save your work, close the program fully, and then open it again. When it relaunches, look at the rulers, the grid and guide settings, and the size and position dialog for shapes or images. You should now see your preferred units reflected everywhere. A quick note about points. PowerPoint uses points mainly for text sizes and some typographic spacing, and that's normal even when your rulers are set to inches or centimeters. The global Windows setting controls inches versus centimeters, while points remain a standard typographic unit within PowerPoint's formatting. That's it. With this simple Windows tweak and a quick restart of PowerPoint, your measurement units will match the way you like to design and measure your slides.